Do you ever wonder why extra virgin olive oil is so expensive? Have you ever been curious about how it's harvested and processed? We're going to explore the truth behind why olive oil is so expensive and what it takes to make it. Let's start with the story. Olive oil has been used for centuries in Mediterranean countries, where the olive tree is native. It has been prized for its health benefits since the time of the ancient Greeks and Romans. Nowadays, the demand for olive oil is higher than ever. It's a staple in most households and used for cooking, baking, and even hair and skin care. But why is it so expensive? Olive oil is an expensive commodity due to its limited availability and labor-intensive production process. Olive trees require a specific set of environmental conditions to produce a quality product. Additionally, the harvesting, pressing, and bottling of olives require significant amounts of manual labor, resulting in a higher cost to the consumer. Now we will talk about the cost of olive oil production. Olive oil production is an incredibly expensive process. From the labor needed to harvest and process the olives to the cost of materials and packaging, the cost of producing olive oil adds up quickly. It's no wonder why olive oil is so expensive. Now let's understand the labor-intensive process. The process of harvesting and processing olives is extremely labor-intensive. From hand-picking the olives from the trees to sorting and pressing them, it takes a lot of hard work and skill to make quality olive oil. Now we will talk about the mysterious taste. The taste of olive oil is hard to describe. Olive oil is one of the most sought-after kitchen ingredients, used for cooking, salad dressings, and even as a skin and hair treatment. It has a unique flavor that can't be replicated with any other oil. The taste is dependent on the region in which it's produced and is affected by the soil, climate, and harvesting methods. Now, what about the risk of oil production? Well, the risks of olive oil production are not without its risks. The olives are prone to disease and pests, and the oil can easily become rancid if not stored correctly. There's also the possibility of adulteration, where inferior oils are mixed in with pure olive oil. Now, let's talk about how you can harvest and process olives to get the best olive oil. The harvesting process starts with picking the olives at the right time. Olives should be picked when they are ripe and still firm. The olives should then be washed and crushed to release the oil. The next step is to press the olives to extract the oil. This can be done by hand or with a machine. If you plan to press the olives yourself, make sure you have the right equipment and know how to use it. Once the oil is extracted, it must be filtered and stored in a cool, dry place. The oil should also be stored in a dark container to preserve its flavor and aroma. So, now we know why olive oil is so expensive and how to harvest and process it. I hope you learned something new about the world of olive oil. The next time you buy olive oil, remember to get the best quality you can find. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.